Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've posted, so I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial. Here I am, barefaced and all. I'm gonna go ahead and get started with my favorite Derma E face oil. I love prepping my face with oil just because it keeps my skin hydrated and dewy throughout the day, because for some reason I'm having dry skin. I'm gonna go in with this Dior Skin foundation, and I just love the way it sits on my skin. It's a hydrating dewy foundation. They also have a matte version of this as well, but I just got the dewy one. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour with this LA Girl contour stick. It's super inexpensive and it gives me the perfect contour. I don't know how or why, but it just does. And I'm just going to blend out my face contour with the Derma E oil and my favorite dual-ended Makeup Forever brush. It just gives me the most airbrushed finish. I just love it. So I'm just going to finish blending out my lip contour with a brush. I think this is like a Bedelium brush that I got from Namies way back when, and I still use it till this day. And my nose contour ended up being way too much. I always do this anytime I'm in a rush. I always overdo my nose contour and I just have the hardest time blending it out. So I end up using my fingers. I end up blending it out with a brush. I end up using my beauty blender until it's like seamless and the way I want. So over here, this is another one of my favorite brushes. I'll definitely do a favorites video for you guys on all the brushes and makeup stuff that I'm currently using, so I will be uploading that. But yeah, this is one of my favorites right here, duo-ended It Cosmetics brush. The brush is so soft. It just feels like a cloud. It's so soft. I love it. So I'm just finishing blending out my contours and just marrying everything together so it looks seamless and not blotchy. And as you guys can see, here's the close-up. That was a really quick close-up. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. There's nothing different that I do with my brows. I'm just using a concealer to outline them first, and then I fill it in with the Anastasia Brow Wiz. And after that, I just comb through it with the spoolie, and voila, my brows are done. They look very natural, just like I like it. Today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette. This is my first Huda palette. I finally purchased it, and I've got to say, guys, I'm impressed. I'm in love, and I think I'm gonna buy her other palettes just because I just loved how this whole look turned out. I loved the colors, I loved the blending, I just loved everything about it. So I'm going in with a purple tone, and I'm using a Fluffy MAC blending brush. I think this is the 224 brush. And this is also a oldie but goodie brush. I just love it. I use it all the time. And I'm dusting that purple tone all over my lid. And then I'm going in with a deeper purple. Well, actually, I think it's the same purple, and I'm just getting it with my finger and applying it because it definitely applies a lot more concentrated and it becomes more vibrant, so you can have more color payoff that way. So now I'm just lining my waterline upper and lower with a black kohl pencil. This is from Pixie. I'm in love with this liner because a lot of times it's hard for me to like find a sharpener and sharpen the pencil. This is just so much easier for me. It's mechanical, it's right there, and it's just super nice and dark. So yeah, I actually did my eyeliner off camera, but it's just your typical winged liner. And I'm just using the same colors that I used on my lid to smoke out my bottom lash line to give it a nice sultry smoked out effect. And then I'm just adding a little bit of this red to kind of give a little more dimension and color. Found my lashes. I found my lashes. We are going to glue them on. Do what he said. Put it on. You want to look down. Lay them right on there. I always like to do mascara afterwards because that just helps me marry my natural lashes to the fake ones, and I love these lashes. I actually got like 100 pair of these exact lashes They're the wispy lashes. I got them from Namies. Cool. All right, I just put my other lash on and we are good to go. I'm just gonna apply some mascara now. I've been really loving this Pixie mascara. It's the large lash mascara. It really does give you large lashes, people. So the brush is like the Colossal ones from Maybelline. If you guys use the Colossal mascara, I used to use that way back in the day and I loved it. Gotta make sure you wiggle this bad boy. There you go. See how I get that separation? That's mainly what I like it for, is for separation. Then I go, this one's a little wet still, so we'll skip that. We'll just go on this one. Oh my god, I gotta blend that out. Kind of in a rush, guys, because it's like about to be 4 p.m. and I really wanted to film something and my son got up, so I have not done highlight yet. What? Can't believe I have not done highlight. Okay, one thing that I love is to spritz myself with a spray, but I'm not gonna do that right now because we're about to do some highlight. I'm going to do a powdered highlight because I used a mattifying foundation, and the highlight I'm gonna be using is from Pixie. I love this Pixie highlight. I'm telling you guys, it's the bomb. It's called the Delicate Dew. That's the one that I love, is this one. I like this one as well, but this one is more of the, you know, yellow tones. This is more of a pink undertone, and I like that because then I like to double it up as my blush, so I don't have to apply any blush. Just jam pack it on. Oops, I forgot to set my brows. So you guys know that I did that lip contour thing that just doubles up as my lip liner because it kind of gives me the outline of my lips. So what my lip liner does, and then I just apply and pop some lipstick on it and throw on some of my Buxom gloss, and I'm good to go. And this is basically the same lipstick that I used in my how I do my makeup video, or you know, the 2019 makeup tutorial. It's the Hot Sand and what else? The Peach Buff and Hot Sand from Maybelline. So I just used Hot Sand right now from Maybelline, and I like it, but I think it's a little too freaking pale. I need to like pink it up a bit. I am back, and I'm going to be using the Lorac Supermodel, really close to Peach Buff from Maybelline. So I'm just gonna pop that on. As you guys can see, it's pinkier, not so pale. Like a coral even. There you go, all done. So if you guys liked this video and liked this makeup tutorial and wanted to know how to get this look, I really hope you guys learned how to achieve it. Comment below if you guys tried it out and it worked for you guys. I swear to God, this look is perfect if you have blue eyes. But anyways, I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up, show me some love, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.